Alright, got the jumper box hooked up to it again. Let's get her unloaded. That's cool. Starts right up now. Whew. Scared me at first, man. It took about 5 good long cranks. Man, I thought it was dead. Whew. All right, can't run it too long. I don't think there's any coolant. Needs a radiator. All right, let's test out some stuff here. Auto. AC just kicked in. Saw that here, the compressor. Come on, get cold. See if the radio works. Might not work. Oh well, I'll check it out later. Alright, can't play that too long. Copyright. Alright, let's get her down. Off the trailer.